On 30 December, Dr. Jaishankar visited Cyprus and signed three crucial agreements of defense, migration, and the solar alliances. Hello and good morning, everyone. Today, my lecture topic is India and Cyprus relationship. Friends, India supported the Cyprus struggle against the British rule at the time of their movement of independence. And in 1962, India and Cyprus started the diplomatic ties and relation. And in 2002, first the Atal Bihari Vajpayee visited Cyprus, and after that, Cyprus started supporting India's membership for the permanent membership of UNSC. And today, Cyprus support India US civil nuclear agreement and the membership for the NSG nuclear supplier group, as well as the International Atomic Energy Agency. Friends, also just before one day, the External Affairs Minister visited Cyprus and shows the support on the North Cyprus issue against the Turkey, and talk about the bi-communal, bi-zonal federal solution on the UN waste. Friends, now let's talk what are the area of cooperation between both the country. Then first is the trade. Total trade done of 75 million euro between both the country, and the Indian export are 65 million euro, and about 10 to 11 million euro from the Cyprus side, and most of the trade done in the iron or steel sector. Second is investment. Cyprus is the eighth largest foreign direct investor for India. From 2000 to 2015, the total 8 billion US dollar investments come from Cyprus, and most are in the real estate and the construction sector. Third is Indian diaspora. Like total over 3,000 Indian citizen lives in Cyprus and work mostly in the some IT professionals, some programmer, some shipping industry, and some other industry too. Third is the meetings. Like most of the meetings done in recently in 2018. The President of India visited Cyprus in 2019. Prime Minister Modi met with the Cyprus President in New York, and just before one day, the Foreign Minister of India visited Cyprus for 3 days. Friends, now let's talk what are the importance of the Cyprus for India. First is a strategic point of view. Like Turkey is the enemy of Cyprus, and Turkey also raised concern over Kashmir and the work as a mouth of Pakistan. So if we support Cyprus, so it will directly hit back to the Turkey. Second is the permanent membership of UNSC and the membership of NSG. Because the Cyprus is member of NSG, so they can play a vital role to make India as member. Third is Cyprus as a European Union member. Since 2004, Cyprus is the European Union member, so it can also play a good role in the European Union India Free Trade Agreement and for the investment from the Indian industries in Cyprus. Friends, in my conclusion, as a way forward, like Cyprus is a very small country, but India, if support the Cyprus at high level, then it can be very important, and India's presence in the Mediterranean Sea will be improved, and India can hit and target the Turkey as well. So India need to maintain the good talks with the Cyprus, and India need to focus on bilateral talks, trade, some other sector like education, some good export and imports. So both the relation will be improved day by day. Thank you.